Welcome to Chakra Sound Healing, or a sound spa for the stressed out human. Chakra Sound Healing. Learn to relieve stress, elevate mood, and increase your intuition through sound healing with your own voice. Vocal sound healing balances and elevates mood by engaging breath and vocal sound while increasing your spiritual awareness with powerful meditation techniques. Additional benefits of sound healing. As you engage in sacred sound healing, the spiritual body, otherwise known as the etheric body, heals, and this may result in massive emotional and physical healing. While we cannot guarantee a miracle cure from physical maladies, we can guarantee the results will be positive and the possibilities are limitless. Who should take this course? Everyone! Are you tired and burnt out, looking to make a big change but not sure how? Chakra balancing in this course will help bring about the answers you need to make major positive changes. Busy and stressed out people who would like a quick way to boost mood, lower stress, and make positive changes in their life. People such as business travelers, stay-at-home parents, PTSD sufferers, people with chronic anxiety and depression, teachers, therapists, doctors, nurses, psychologists, psychiatrists, and basically anyone who requires a better way to deal with stress. Everyone who desires greater control over their mood and have a happier, more balanced life. Everyone who is curious about their intuitive gifts and how they can use them to enhance their life. Skills you will have by the end of the course. You will be able to use your voice to relax your body and mind and elevate your mood. You will learn how to balance and heal chakras with your voice and intuition, and you will gain esoteric knowledge about your chakras and your etheric body. What if I'm not a healer? Course prerequisites. An open mind. You must be willing to take a chance and try vocal sound healing even if you don't believe it can work. Faith. You must be willing to give it a go even if you have serious doubts. Simply opening your mind to the possibility by taking the course will start to form a healing matrix in your etheric body, otherwise known as your spirit body, and will allow for healing to take place. Suggested: headphones or earbuds that are good quality. If you plan on listening to this course while traveling in an airplane, subway, or public transportation, you will need headphones or earbuds. When you are ready to start sounding, you will need a private, quiet place for meditation, free from interruption and distractions. If you are tight on space, even a closet or the bathroom with a locked door will suffice. It is not necessary to have a large space to start learning. You do not need to be able to sing or carry a tune in a bucket to heal. In addition, you do not have to think of yourself as a healer to be able to balance your chakras with vocal sound healing. You simply need an open mind and a willing heart.